So who's up for vegetarian? I'm in Taman Wayu. We are going to Pure Heart Vegetarian today. Let's try it out, alright? So this is, the shop is located beside 99 Speed Mart Taman Wayu. This is how the shop looks like. Very hot Veggie zone. So let's go. Wood. Okay. Nice deco. The first floor. Counter still got other pastries. So we still have some spaces here. Got 2 floors. I'm going up to the first floor. Quite a big space, huh? Wow, the chandelier very nice, huh? My friend Darren is a regular, so he recommends this onigiri. He says it's very nice. Later try. So I'm Pure Heart Vegetarian in Kepong. This is their menu, huh? You can follow them on Facebook and Instagram. Noodles. They have noodles, they have rice, a lot. That's how the menu look like. Rice this side. And if I'm not mistaken, these are their signature lah, on weekdays. Today is Friday, so you should have this. Okay, so we ordered, this is the wonton mee, right? Wonton mee, there's wonton and extra egg. I have a nasi lemak here, looks good. And this, my friend told me, right, is their famous onigiri. So I can't wait to open and see what is it all about. Alright? So today we are here, I'm here at Pure Heart Restaurant, Pure Heart Vegetarian Restaurant. This is the nasi lemak. I'm actually very curious about this, so I'm gonna open this first because my friend really says it's good. If it's not good, today he belanja. Oh, open wrong already. Never mind. I'm supposed to use the red. Never mind. Open wrong already.
Pull the plastic off.
Okay, I opened the onigiri wrong. You're supposed to actually just pull the red color line, you know? Like just like you go Family Mart, the onigiri is just like that. So now I have to pull the plastic out individually and wrap it up. Onigiri. Tastes like tuna inside, but it's not tuna. I know it's not tuna, it's vegetarian. Okay. It tastes like tuna. Just lacking the pink color. You can taste a bit of sauce with it. Very nice. This onigiri. Good.
Oh, that's a price. It's so much better than the Family Mart one.
Is it?
Family Mart one is slightly smaller and then the price is bigger.
How much?
450.
450 for this. Really?
Promotion.
So promotion. I have a little bit of the wonton mee here today. So let's try the wonton mee. Good. Nasi lemak, the fragrance not that strong. I don't know if they use enough coconut milk or not lah. But can, not that strong. Oh, so there's no like garlic or this all don't have. The smell, aromatics all don't have.
If it's full vegan, there's no garlic, no milk, no garlic.
Yeah. As you would expect from a vegetarian sambar, it's not that spicy, okay? Although the smell is not here, I find that the rice is nice. I can taste a little bit like how would I say, lemongrass or serai, a little bit inside. The smell. I think they got put on top of the rice. There is some potato curry here with the sambal. Potato curry here with the sambal. This is good now. Good vegetarian meal. Tasty actually. This is something that I could actually have every now and then. It's nice. You got egg. Let's serve this with hard-boiled egg. Hard-boiled egg here. Some peanuts. And then got long bean. Long beans here, some peanuts. This is my white coffee, hot. A little bit too sweet. Actually, everything will be a bit too sweet for me because I'm so used to having coffee just like that. Kopi O kosong. Coffee without milk and sugar. Anyways, the food here is good. If you're ever around Taman Wayu Kapong, do give this place a visit, drop by and try their food, alright? So that's it for me. See you in the next video. Bye bye.